Now somebody, anybody, everybody scream!
Only when I ain't there, my heart, and I wake up and I see your name.
Ladre pasito para que no despierte a los de la casa. Good job, Whisper.
Linda?
Got some right here. You got some right here. Whoa.
Dali que você vergonha. Ah, Duda.
Katy, ¿qué te pasó?
Brando.
All right, show us how you go down the stairs.
No, no.
Feeding my spoiled dog different fruits to see his reaction. Mandarin orange. Strawberry. Grapes. Trash, don't give your dog grapes. Pineapple. Cantaloupe. He loves cantaloupe. Watermelon. He likes to inspect and eat his food on the floor. Don't do him. This is his house. Galia melon. Mango. No mongoose will be tolerated in this house. Yuck. Peaches. He loves peaches. Spun the block on the mandarin because I know he loves them. He was just acting funny.
You must choose, Mr. Bond. Get your nails clipped or perish in the river below. What will it be, Mr. Bond?
Come on, dude.
Oh.
Facts about cats I promise you didn't know, part 5. So cat hierarchy is super simple. Whoever sits on top is in charge. So if your cat nests above your head, they think they're in charge of you. If your cat is ever looking at you and slowly closing their eyes while making eye contact, that's actually their way of giving you a kiss and telling you they love you. Don't be shy, blink back. So cats actually developed meowing just to communicate with us humans. They emphasize the O sound, it means it's something very urgent and are trying to get your attention. And if they emphasize the E sound, it's just more pleasant and they're trying to greet you. When your cat goes hunting and they bring you back their prey, they're actually trying to teach you how to hunt. Not only are they bringing you back a gift, but they're also letting you know that they think you're a horrible hunter.
Yo no soy envidia, soy tu bizcochito.
I almost had a heart attack when this happened.
I had a lot of things to do today, but you know what I did instead? I took a nap. It was a very good nap.
She's incredibly intelligent.
Right.
People, it would scare them if they knew how smart she is.
Station 9.
Granata! Ложись! Граната!
No, listen as a friend. You know I can't take this. Yes, I do.
Hello.
The cat from next door is here. Go Pikachu, charge. Pikachu, thunder attack.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh, it's just your demise.